Okay, one more block and we're good. There we go. Alright. Man, this place is a lot to clean up. It's like almost 11 o'clock at night. I'm going to... oh, I'm getting a call. Yeah, boss? What? Are you kidding me? Please not now. Oh, fine. Well, guess we're going on another adventure, y'all. Oh, I'm so happy. Looks like we gotta go get some files again. Or, as I should say, the boss told me, we're going to get drill data. Let's go. I guess it's the drill's coding or something. Whoa, whoa. Blocks? Oh my god, I gotta do a lot of cleaning, don't I? Not as good as Bree, though. Maybe I should call Bree. I'll call her before I go to bed. Come on, elevator. Please hurry! Oh, thank you. Nobody's here right now since everyone's in bed. Yeah, also... There we go. Alright, grab our card and let's go to the Gorilla Corp certified computer. Oh yeah. I love the Gorilla Corp certified computer. We all do, don't we? Alright. Oh, hammer, no. There we go, okay. Okay, boss, did you tell me where these things were? He didn't. Okay. Okay, here we go. Drill files. Drill files. Oh, shoot. Drill. Uh-oh. Drill files. There we go. Okay. Now, I need to click a button. Okay, let's see. Enter. Uploading. Okay. Now I need to go build the syringe, since apparently I can upload codes onto my gloves. But real quick, let's just take a moment to note that we have a savior as Gorilla Corp. Like, just imagine if we didn't have Gorilla Corp. Also, me already got a lot darker in there. I cannot see a thing. Except that drill piece. Just, a little scared about the CEO. I heard Chloe got out. He kind of got really mad. Here, let me just put my card back real quick. There you go. Alright, back to Monkey Blocks we go. Oh god. Okay. USB port. There we go. It's like this thing was already here waiting for me. There we go. Okay. Let me move this a little closer. There we go. Don't touch the plug. Alright, we're gonna plug this in real quick if I can figure out. Get it in there. Oh, this is gonna take a long time. Oh wait, I forgot. There we go, and then there. Okay. Now let me put it on the uploader. Upload. Alright. I'm gonna go grab the lid real quick. Ooh! I think I'm hallucinating without sleep. I swear to God I saw Doug the Bug. Okay. And stop. Let me take it off real quick. Hit. There we go. Got a capsule full of all the drill's power Just hope that masked monkey ain't by. Okay, now I gotta plug the cord into this thing. Now, I gotta make sure that masked monkey isn't around here. So let me put the camera right over here. Make sure, and I will look for him real quick. Okay. I'm gonna look in every single spot. Hut. Okay. I looked everywhere, but he ain't here. That's good. We don't want him here. Now, it's time to upload. Alright. Connecting capsule. And upload. Code uploading. Oh, shoot. Oh, this is the worst part! Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, shoot. It almost broke. Wait, no, it did. Okay, cord goes right there. Now, I gotta send this over to the boss. But in a special way. This looks like a trash can, but if I press the right buttons, it can be sent into... No, actually, no. Okay. I'm hoping that masked monkey is not near. I'll put it on my arm for now. He already delayed the drill 2 times. And what do I mean by 2? Well, the first time, yeah, we know what happened. But the second time, he hacked into the systems and delayed the drill. I hate that guy, bro. And his girlfriend, Chloe. I hate them both. Okay. Okay. Oh wait, why am I in here? Oh shoot! Files almost got sent. Forgot, you can't take them out. Okay, there's gotta be a way to send them. Ah, here we go. The machine. This doesn't look like a machine, but this is no friend machine. This is also a file uploader. Okay. Oh, ready? Alright. Where is the boss? Here he is. Okay. Boss. Send to boss. Okay. Okay. There we go. All the files have been saved, and all the files will be sent to the boss. Now, let me close this up, and then let me put this back right here. What the heck? That was weird. Alright. What? What did I do? Okay, yeah, I need some sleep, bro. Okay, yeah, I need some sleep, bro. I need to get to bed. Get to bed, Gman. Get to bed. Nothing touches you in your house, besides for monkeys. That kind of scared me. Couple days. Oh, shoot. Okay. Alright, we're here. Oh, I hate the fact that I have to clean that up. No chance. Maybe if I work hard enough, I'll come back. Oh wait, no. They won't come back. What am I thinking? Well, whatever. I need some sleep.